So this is an unboxing video for the GoPro Hero9 Black, which I just got delivered a couple hours ago. So let's rip this baby open. So the first thing that you notice is that they don't have the plastic casing as before. It comes in this camera carrying case instead. So the charging cord, an extra battery, a mount, thumb screw, So I sold my GoPro Hero 8 yesterday, and I was wanting to compare the size of it. I can notice that it's definitely thicker than the old one. Probably a little bit heavier as well. Nothing noticeable though. That's pretty much it. Looks like there's some manuals here. And that pretty much shows you what you have inside. One thing that I thought would be inside was a selfie stick, but apparently that does not come with it.